Welcome to the FluentFlow English Learning Channel. I'm your host, Carl, and today I'm going to share a learning technique that sounds completely backwards, but it's one of the most effective methods for building English fluency. Here's what most people do wrong. They watch a new English video every day, a different movie, a different YouTube video, a different TV show episode. Always new content, always moving forward. And here's why that doesn't work. Your brain never gets deep enough to actually master anything. You're always skimming the surface, never diving deep. But what if I told you that watching the same 3-minute video 10 times will teach you more English than watching 10 different 3-minute videos once? What if repetition, not variety, is the real secret to fluency? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use short videos with strategic repetition to build vocabulary, improve pronunciation, and train your ears to understand native English, all in just 15 minutes a day. If you've been watching hours of English content but still struggling to speak fluently, this video is about to change your entire approach. Let's get started. Let me tell you about Elena. 6 months ago, Elena was frustrated beyond belief. She told me, "Carl, I watch English YouTube videos for hours every day. I watch movies, I watch TV shows, but when I try to speak English, nothing comes out. Why am I not improving?" I asked her, "Elena, how many times do you watch each video?" She looked confused. "Once. Why would I watch the same video twice?" I said, "That's your problem. You're consuming content, not learning from it. You need to stop treating English videos like entertainment and start treating them like training material. You need repetition." She was skeptical. "Won't that be boring?" I smiled. "Let me show you how to do it so it's not boring, and I guarantee you'll see results within 2 weeks." Elena committed to the system I'm about to teach you. 2 weeks later, she sent me a message. "Carl, this is working. I'm actually remembering phrases and using them in conversations. I never did that before." 1 month later, Elena was speaking more fluently than after years of passive watching. 3 months later, she could understand native speakers at normal speed, something she'd struggled with for years. The difference? She stopped watching new content constantly and started using short videos with strategic repetition. Let me show you the exact system. The short video repetition system. Step 1, choose the right video. This is absolutely crucial. The wrong video choice will make this system fail. Your video should meet these criteria. First, it must be short, between 1 and 3 minutes. Not 10 minutes, not 30 minutes, 1 to 3 minutes max. Why? Because you're going to watch it multiple times. A 3-minute video is manageable. A 30-minute video is overwhelming. Second, it must have subtitles. English subtitles specifically, not your native language. You need to see the words while hearing them. Third, it should be interesting to you. Don't force yourself to watch content you don't care about. Find clips about topics you actually enjoy. Fourth, it should be at or slightly above your level. If you understand everything perfectly, it's too easy. If you understand almost nothing, it's too hard. Aim for 70–80% comprehension. Where to find these videos? YouTube Shorts in English with captions. TikTok videos in English, many have auto captions. Instagram Reels from English creators. Short clips from TV shows or movies. Brief TED Talk excerpts. News clips from BBC or CNN. Elena chose cooking videos because she loved cooking. Each video is about 2 minutes long, showing how to make a simple recipe. Perfect length, interesting content, natural English. Step 2, the 5-day repetition schedule. This is where the magic happens. You don't watch a video once and move on. You watch the same video for 5 days straight using a specific method each day. Day 1, watch and enjoy. First viewing, just watch with English subtitles. Focus on understanding the main idea. Don't stress about every word, just enjoy the content. Watch it 3 times on day 1, just watching, building familiarity. Day 2, watch and repeat. Today, watch the video in small sections. Play 5 seconds, pause, repeat what you heard out loud. Play the next 5 seconds, pause, repeat. This is active practice. Your mouth is learning to make the sounds. Do this for the entire video twice through. Day 3, watch and shadow. Today, you shadow. Play the video and speak along with it in real time, matching the speaker's rhythm, speed, and intonation. Do this 3 times. Don't worry about perfection, just try to match the flow. Day 4, watch without subtitles. Now, turn off the subtitles. Watch the video 3 times without reading. How much can you understand just by listening? You'll be amazed at how much you've absorbed. Day 5, perform it. Final day, this is your test. Try to recite as much of the video as you can from memory. Not reading, not watching, just speaking. You probably won't remember everything. That's fine, but you'll remember more than you expect. After 5 days with one video, you've deeply internalized the vocabulary, the phrases, the pronunciation, the rhythm. This content is now part of you. Elena followed this exact schedule. Each Sunday, she'd choose a new cooking video for the week. Monday through Friday, she'd practice with that same video. 15 minutes per day, 5 days, one video. After 4 weeks, she deeply learned 4 videos. That might not sound like much, but each video contained 20 to 30 useful phrases, 50 plus vocabulary words, and countless pronunciation patterns. In 1 month, she'd mastered more practical English than in years of passive watching. Step 3, build your video library. Here's a powerful technique. Save all your practice videos in a playlist. After you've completed the 5-day cycle with a video, add it to your mastered videos playlist. Once a month, review your mastered videos. Watch through your entire playlist in one sitting. Why? Because spaced repetition is how long-term memory is built. Reviewing content weeks later reinforces it permanently. Elena had a playlist of her mastered cooking videos. Every month, she'd watch through all of them in one session. She told me, "It's incredible. I remember almost everything, and seeing my collection grow is so motivating." After 3 months, she had 12 mastered videos. 12 videos containing hundreds of useful phrases that she could now use naturally in conversation. Why short videos work better than long content. Let me explain the science behind why this works so well. Reason 1, cognitive load. Short videos don't overwhelm your brain. You can fully process and absorb 3 minutes of content. 30 minutes? Your attention fades and you miss most of it. Reason 2, repetition without boredom. Repeating a 3-minute video 5 times, 15 minutes total, feels manageable. Repeating a 30-minute video 5 times, 2.5 hours feels like torture. Reason 3, complete mastery. With short content, you can achieve 100% understanding and 90% recall. With long content, you might understand the general idea but retain almost nothing. Reason 4, practical chunks. Short videos contain complete ideas or lessons in digestible chunks. Your brain can process, categorize, and store these chunks efficiently. Reason 5, immediate application. The phrases and vocabulary from a 3-minute video can be used in real conversations immediately. They're practical and relevant. Elena experienced all of this. She told me, "I used to watch 30-minute videos and remember nothing the next day. Now I watch 3-minute videos and remember phrases weeks later." Content types that work best. Let me give you specific types of short content that work incredibly well for this system. Type 1, how-to videos. Recipe videos, craft tutorials, workout demonstrations. These have clear instructions and practical vocabulary. Type 2, product reviews, tech reviews, book reviews, movie reviews, natural, conversational English with clear opinions. Type 3, storytelling clips, personal stories, funny anecdotes, travel experiences, engaging narrative English. Type 4, news clips, brief news stories about interesting topics, professional, clear English. Type 5, comedy sketches. Short, funny videos. Humor makes content memorable and engaging. Elena used cooking videos, but you should choose content that matches your interests. That's what makes repetition enjoyable instead of boring. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, choosing videos that are too long. Keep it under 3 minutes, always. Longer videos kill the system. Mistake 2, watching different videos every day. The power is in repetition. 1 video, 5 days. Commit to it. Mistake 3, skipping days. Consistency is everything. 5 consecutive days. Don't break the streak. Mistake 4, using native language subtitles. Always use English subtitles. Your brain needs to connect English sounds with English text. Mistake 5, not speaking out loud. This isn't passive watching. You must speak, repeat, shadow. Active practice is essential. Elena almost made mistake number 2. After 2 days with 1 video, she wanted to switch. But I encouraged her to stick with the system. By day 5, she understood why repetition works. Your Dreißig Day Challenge. Here's what I want you to do. Week 1, find your first video, something 1 to 3 minutes that interests you. Follow the 5-day schedule. Week 2, new video. Repeat the 5-day process. Week 3, new video. 5-day process again. Week 4, new video, 5 days. After 30 days, watch all 4 mastered videos in sequence. Notice how much you remember. That's your challenge. 4 videos in 30 days. Just 15 minutes per day. Elena did exactly this. After 30 days, she had 4 cooking videos completely mastered. She could recite them, use the vocabulary naturally, and her pronunciation had improved dramatically, all from 4 short videos and 15 minutes daily. Thank you so much for watching the FluentFlow English Learning Channel. I'm Carl, and I'm grateful you chose to learn with me today. If this video showed you a smarter way to learn from videos, please hit that like button. It helps other learners discover this technique. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell for weekly English learning strategies. Comment below, what topic will your first short video be about? Cooking? Tech? Comedy? Travel? Tell me. Share this video with someone who watches tons of English content but isn't improving. Show them that less can be more. Before we end, I want to leave you with some heartfelt wishes. I wish you focus. May you resist the temptation to constantly consume new content. May you find the discipline to stay with 1 video for 5 full days, trusting that depth creates mastery. I wish you patience. May you understand that learning is not about quantity of exposure, but quality of engagement. May you embrace repetition as your friend, not your enemy. I wish you playfulness. May you choose videos that genuinely interest you, that make you smile, that connect to your passions. May learning English feel like play, not work. I wish you pride. May you look at your growing playlist of mastered videos with satisfaction. May you celebrate each video completed, knowing you've truly learned it, not just watched it. And most importantly, I wish you transformation. May you experience the moment when a phrase from one of your practice videos flows naturally from your mouth in a real conversation. May you realize that deep learning creates real fluency. Remember, it's not about how much content you consume. It's about how deeply you engage with what you practice. 1 short video, 5 days, 15 minutes daily. That's the formula. Until next time, keep repeating, keep mastering, and keep flowing forward with your English. This is Carl from FluentFlow English Learning Channel. Take care, my friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep flowing.